Hi. Oh, hello? Oh, my name is Prisha Mosley. I am a detransitioning woman who began my social transition at 15 years old. I legally changed my name, changed my hair and clothes, and bound my breasts. Breast binding caused permanent damage to my back and ribs. I was love bombed by the trans community who found me through the pro-anorexia community. They encouraged me for every change I made and promised me that I was curing myself. I was told that my depression, anxiety, PTSD, OCD, and borderline would all go away if I transitioned, but it wasn't true. We know that trans people, and have heard other people on the other side say that there are multiple, often other comorbidities, and these are usually pushed aside when the child utters the word gender. Changing the body is not the cure for the mind or mental suffering. We have already tried this and failed with lobotomies. Starting at 17, high doses of testosterone were injected into my anorexic body. The side effects were severe, are permanent, and started within days. One of the first things to change was my genitals. Before a week was over, they were painful. Parts were growing and others were beginning to atrophy away and have not stopped. This pain increased for months and now is so severe that I can no longer use tampons. I have never gotten to experience a normal period. Before starting testosterone, it had already stopped because I was not eating. I was put on hormones anyway. The damage from the testosterone is permanent, however, and I will not heal from it like I healed from my eating disorder. I am also suffering from chronic pain. Wrong sex testosterone causes the redistribution of muscle and fat into a masculine position which the female frame cannot support. My hips are so small and my shoulders are so large that I am in constant burning pain. It hurts to hold myself up. Testosterone also caused me to have joint pain, which I will suffer from for the rest of my life. On top of this, I lost my ability to sing. Gender-affirming care took my voice away. I used to get so much joy from singing, and that has been robbed from me. Now I can no longer bear the sound I make when I open my mouth to sing or when I cry, and it is painful to even speak for long periods. I cannot raise my voice to scream if I'm in danger. Testosterone silenced me. Worst of all, I am most likely infertile. No doctor will touch me. They have all abandoned me since I began to detransition, but I am aware of this fact. I did not want to have children when I was given informed consent shortly after being raped. I was too traumatized and not old enough to know, but my doctors didn't care. My doctors and therapist blackmailed my parents into fast-tracking me down the path to lifelong medicalization. 1 year after starting hormones, my healthy breasts were removed. The surgery was incredibly traumatizing. During this procedure, which is performed on minors, all of the healthy mammary tissue is removed, as well as fat and skin. While this is happening, the nipples are cut up, reshaped, and frozen. The chest is then scraped, and the new nipples are sewn onto the bleeding wound. One day after my surgery, I removed my bandages to find pieces of my nipples looking back at me, stuck to the bandages. I'm missing pieces of them now. Breast reconstruction will consist of at least 3 more traumatizing surgeries and will not give me back what I lost. My breasts have been incinerated, and I will never be able to feed my children. I urge you to vote for a bill that protects children from so-called gender-affirming care. I want to be the last person to suffer this way. Please don't let any other vulnerable, mentally ill children become a lifelong medical patient like me. Let them keep their healthy bodies. Thank you.